welcome back. This is JK Leo, and today in this video we're gonna learn on how to open up a account, NFT account in one of the top providers and publish your art. Could be music, pictures, videos, any digital art. You can publish it over the NFT, and especially we are looking at the one of the top service provider, OpenSea. So you can basically open Google and then OpenSea, right? And then you can click this and it opens up like this. So if you want to explore, you can directly explore here all the NFTs, right? You can browse around, no harm. You can click anything you want and then you can browse around. I don't want to show any of this, but mainly here we are going to concentrate on how to create, right? So if you create, click on the create button, and then you need to have one of these wallets. So if you're right now, I'm going to show on how I did, right? So I have this Coinbase account. So you go to your Coinbase, or you can just go to the Play Store and click Coinbase wallet. You can download that, and once it's up there, you can click on the settings, and then in the connected apps, you have to press that, and then it will give you few instructions on how to connect. So once the Coinbase and Coinbase wallet are connected, then you can see in the connected apps like this. And also, once it's connected, you're gonna come back to this website OpenSeas and click on Coinbase wallet. Then that will actually give you a QR code, and if you browse that from your phone, it will automatically connect. So right now, it's asking me if I'm the right guy who are trying to sign in. So as you see on my mobile, I just click on sign and ask for my passcode. So I enter my passcode and it logs me in straight to my account. So I can create a new item here. Did you see how easy it is? And it's all two-way factor authentication enabled, right? So once you have done that, then that's it. You don't have to worry about signing in to your phone again. It's once signed in, right? Now, let's try adding in an image, a video, sorry, a music file. Put this music file in here, and once it's there, you can play it and test it. And you can put a preview image. This can be any of this PNG, JPEG, and or GIF. So right here, I'm gonna select this one here. So again, I just drag and drop. It comes in there, right? And the item name. So my song music name is Why Do I Think? And the external link, if you have any, you can provide that, like YouTube or your website or Twitter, any of that stuff. And then in the description, you provide some description. I'll put some basic information this, right? And provide some properties in here, like I would mention save, and you can add some levels in here. And save it. I don't have any explicit content. I'll select Ethereum, the item first, and then create. Almost done. So it asks you to authenticate. I'm using Safari here since Chrome has given me some weird blank pages whenever I click something, especially on this site. It says something's went wrong. Hmm. So let's check our profile if it got uploaded. It did. So I see my music here, but I haven't mentioned any price history here. So it's supposed to ask my I should click on the sell button and then fixed price or time auction. So I can mention my fixed price 0 point. So this looks little fancy for me. So my present song worth $200 and duration um, could last for 6 months and complete listing. 2.5 service fees. So here it says listing history. Once sold, the following fees will be deducted. So I'm gonna click complete listing. So it will ask for a signature request. Just click on sign in and then provide the code on your mobile again. So your item now is listed for sale. It's that easy, guys. So you can always come back and click on edit if you if you change your mind and if you want to upgrade something. So you can always do any of these updates, okay, and click the submit changes or delete an item. And you can see your listings in one collection. Make sure you edit your collection and put your background images and images. It takes some hours of work for you to establish this page. So but it's easy once you link up the Coinbase wallet and the OpenSea. It's all one-way process. It all makes it easy when you can upload multiple things, and there is some service charge. Whenever I link the OpenSea with my Coinbase, it costed me like some Ethereums of around $25 to $35. I don't remember exactly. So once it's there, you can pretty much explore around. And I've also got one like for my one of my recent um, publish, and you can see that who did that. And there is one guy here, so he has a channel too. So this is his page, and he has like this many collection, right? So that's how you upload stuff. I mean, that's how you upload your art content onto the OpenSea. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.